In the horrific Dwarka hit-and-run case, new CCTV footage, videos laying bare the entire sequence of events. India Today has accessed all of these visuals that show the Scorpio speeding recklessly down the road before crashing into the bike. The siblings trying to escape without a hint of remorse, and the crowd confronting the minor driver and his sister. Here's a detailed report that reconstructs this entire crash timeline.
An innocent, promising life cut short by reckless speed and shocking irresponsibility. An SUV racing down a narrow street, driven at a terrifying pace, driven by someone who should never have been behind the wheel. New videos have now surfaced in the Delhi hit-and-run horror. And when you piece them together, they reveal a chilling sequence of events. The first visual freezes the seconds before the tragedy strikes. CCTV images shows the Scorpio hurtling down the narrow road at a dangerously high speed. No attempt to slow down, no caution, no control. Then comes the impact. Captured allegedly while the minor's sister was making a reel. In a split second, the Scorpio smashes into the biker. Seconds later, passers-by rush in. A mobile video captures the aftermath. The biker Sahil lies in a pool of blood. His motorcycle is completely mangled. Other vehicles stand crushed. A crowd gathers, angry, stunned, unable to comprehend what just happened. But what shocks many even more is what happens next. The siblings attempt to flee by walking away. A lawyer at the scene tries to stop them. They continue walking. Speaking to India Today, Sahil's grieving mother says this was not the first time the juvenile had been involved in reckless driving and demanded accountability from his father as well.
One of the reasons why the accused driver has got bail and is appearing in the board exams, he's underage. He's only 17 saal ke hain. Therefore, he may well get away with a much lighter punishment because he's a juvenile. How do you respond to that?
He is on the edge. He can't be called minor because multiple tracks are there against him. He does the same activity. He has multiple challans, and everywhere his name is mentioned, his father's name is mentioned. So it can't be considered normal juvenile. This is not a normal case.
The accused's father, however, maintains that his son made a mistake and says he is sorry.
माँ के लिए भी मुझे दर्द है, मैं बिल्कुल समझ सकता हूँ. मुझे कोई इसमें नहीं है जो वो माँ है. मुझे अब उस दर्द को मैं कैसे बयां करूँ आपके सामने. पूरे फैमिली हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा दिल से इस घटना के लिए मतलब बयां कर रहे हैं, शर्मिंदा है.
For Sahil's family, there's no apology that can undo this loss. No regret that can bring their son back. These videos tell their own story of speed without sense, privilege without responsibility, and a tragedy that could have been prevented. With Shreya Chatterjee and Anshul Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.